We'll guide you through how to edit text in Figma. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma on your desktop and locate the file where you want to edit text. Once you're in the file, navigate to the text layer you wish to change. Click on the text box and you'll see the cursor appear, allowing you to start typing immediately. If you want to change the font size or color, look over to the right panel where you have the text properties here. You can select a new font from the drop-down, adjust the font size by either typing a number or using the up and down arrows, and click on the color box to pick a different color from the palette. Should you need to align your text differently, use the alignment options just above the font selection. You can choose between left center or right alignment depending on your design needs. If your text needs to be a part of a larger design, you can also use the auto lay feature. Just select the text box, then click on the plus sign under the auto layout section, allowing you to easily adjust padding and spacing. Remember, if you accidentally make a change you don't like, you can always press Command plus Z on Mac or Control plus Z on Windows to undo it. After making all your changes, don't forget to click outside the text box to ensure everything is saved. These steps make editing text in Figma straightforward and efficient, helping you maintain a consistent and visually appealing design. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.